Alright, I'm back, y'all. So the wings have finally completed the cooking. So we're gonna pull them out. See how they look done. They look real good. Look real good. So we're gonna take our fork and take the wings out the cooker. We're gonna put them into this pan like so. Take all the wings out. Make sure you spread them out and space them out. That way each one of the wings will get touched by the sauce when you put your sauce in the pan. So let me get these other few little wings out real quick. And again, y'all, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I can't ask you enough. I'm not begging, but I am asking. Alright, so we got all the wings in the pan. Now is the trick to the honey hot taste. Now, even though technically it's not honey, honey is sweet. So I guess this might be more along the lines of a sweet and spicy wing, but I kind of consider it to be the honey hot wing. So the first thing you're gonna do is take this medium wing sauce, great value. Them was great value wings too, by the way. All right, and great value seasonings. You know, some people talk about great value, but you know, you don't know till you try it. So we're gonna take this medium wing sauce and we're gonna pour it over the wings. Not too much, but you want enough to give the wings some flavor. I'm gonna pour that over the wings first. Now, mind you, I recommend that you do this right after you take them out of the air fryer while they're still hot, so that the sauce can kind of melt itself on the wings and into the wings. So next we're gonna take this Asian style sweet chili sauce, and we're gonna run it over the top of the medium hot wing sauce like so. Not too much, but of course you want the sweet to match the hot. So got the sweet on there, got the hot on there, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is your honey hot wings. Don't they look good? I'm ready to dig in. So after you do that, just put the top on there, kind of let it sit, and the heat and all that will bring the flavors together into the wings, and that's how it's done. So please like, share this video. I'll be back with more videos soon. Thank y'all. I'm out.